Welcome to Birds of Australia. In Australia, from the cold climate down south to all the way up north in the tropics, we find a great variety of bird species.
The grey butcherbird is found all across Australia, except the deserts of Australia or the tropics. They prefer the forest, but they can be found almost everywhere, including the suburbs of Australian cities. This bird belongs to the family of Cracticus, like the currawong and the Australian magpie. This grey butcherbird, found in a suburb of Sydney, is about 30 centimeters long, and when they are fully grown it can weigh up to 100 grams. Both the male and female grey butcherbirds looks the same, but the female tend to be smaller. The grey butcherbird breeding season is from July to January. For protection they build the nests quite high off the ground on the thin branches of tall trees. Grey butcherbirds would eat anything small that walk, crawl or fly, like lizards, worms, insects, grasshoppers, and including other birds. Often grey butcherbirds sits motionless on branches for extended periods of time and waits. Once the prey is located, it has little chance of escaping, as the grey butcherbird pounces on its victim at a lightning speed. The swift aerobatic maneuvers allows the grey butcherbird to capture small birds and insects in flight. The grey butcherbird is an important player of the well-balanced Australian ecology.